Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to tell you about top 13 what's food destroy your health. Let's start the video. There are numerous foods that can negatively impact your health if consumed in excess or on a regular basis. Here are 13 foods that are often considered harmful when it comes to long-term health. 1. Sugary drinks. High in sugar and calories but low in nutrients. These drinks can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. 2. Processed meats. Includes bacon, sausages, and deli meats, which are often high in sodium and preservatives linked to increased cancer risk. 3. Deep-fried foods. These foods are high in unhealthy fats and calories, contributing to obesity, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. 4. Pastries, cookies, and cakes. High in sugar, unhealthy fats, and refined flour. These treats can lead to weight gain and metabolic issues. 5. Sugary cereals. Often marketed to children, these cereals are high in sugar and low in nutrients, leading to spikes in blood, sugar, and potential long-term health issues. 6. Potato chips and snack foods. These are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and salt, contributing to weight gain and heart problems. 7. Margarine. Some types contain trans fats, which are harmful to heart health. 8. Fast food. Generally high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories, leading to obesity and related health issues. 9. Frozen meals. Often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, and lack the nutrients of freshly prepared meals. 10. White bread and refined grains. These are low in fiber and nutrients, leading to blood, sugar spikes, and increased hunger. 11. Canned soups. High in sodium and often contain preservatives, which can negatively affect heart health and blood pressure. 12. Candy bars. High in sugar, unhealthy fats, and calories, contributing to weight gain and metabolic diseases. 13. Instant noodles. Low in nutrients and high in sodium and unhealthy fats. These can lead to poor nutritional intake and health issues. Consuming these foods occasionally is generally fine, but regularly incorporating them into your diet can lead to various health problems. Focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole, minimally. Processed foods is key to maintaining good health. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, then hide the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.